Hi there, thanks for tuning in. Now, this video is all about Helter Skelter, this giant colourful abstract that lies behind me. Now, this was created with a very unusual technique, so let's step in and have a closer look. A quick glance at those waves of paint will tell you that this is unlike anything I've done before, and that is down to the metre-long rubber squeegee that I used to paint it. And you can see exactly how that was used if you watch the video of it being painted. I'll pop a link to that in the corner of the screen and also one down in the description. I didn't use the squeegee across the whole of the painting though, and I was quite selective on where I used it, reverting back to other methods as the paint session progressed. But I think you'll agree that the effects are astonishing, and it feels as if, well, the canvas is somehow rippled. It's a wonderfully engaging illusion that adds to the already mesmerising nature of the piece. You may also like to know that the Beatles song of the same name was inspired by this kids' playground slide. And for me anyway, it feels just like riding down a Helter Skelter. Colour everywhere, round and round it goes, and a world that's a blur and full of giddy delight until you reach the bottom, where you've got a moment to catch your breath before racing back up to do it all over again. Now you can see why the name fits so well. The wave-like nature of the paint only tells a fraction of the story though. Spend a little more time with it and you reveal tiny worlds within worlds. Cells appear and then disappear again. More waves rise up and down again in very subtle ways, and this is a theme that carries on all the way across the canvas. I talk a lot about detailing in my work, but in this instance, I don't think I can overemphasize that fact. It really is breathtaking, and you need to get your nose right into it to fully appreciate how much is packed into every square inch of the canvas. And that was Helter Skelter. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up and look out for more of these quick look videos coming to the channel soon.